Thinking about adding a sleek, elegant look to your bathroom? I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the Keonjinn Pivot Shower Door. This is the nickel finish, and it looks so good in this bathroom. Definitely should take a moment to appreciate the excellent packing job they do with these glass doors. It comes with an installation manual to make sure you measure, level everything right, just to make sure you get it right the first time. This semi-frameless glass door is made with tempered glass with expulsion-proof film and nano-coating. My favorite part is the pivot door. I love being able to clean in between where the glass overlap. Every bit of this is so well designed to make sure moisture doesn't get into the frame, to make sure it lasts a long time. That special coating is going to repel water and soap scum from building up on your beautiful shower door. And because of the pivot doors, squeegeeing has never been easier. I just absolutely loved the design, the look, and it does such a great job keeping the water where it belongs. But that's just my point of view.